Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable full-service provider for machine tools and accessories. Today we present our R60 VT, the first servo-conventional radial drilling machine in the KNUTH Machine Tools range. The highlights of the machine include servo spindle feed, large touchscreen display and a stepless adjustment spindle speed. The main design features include a large column and a highly torsion-resistant arm. The height adjustment of the arm is done by a powerful motorized drive. The arm's lifting gears run in an oil bath for maximum reliability and minimum wear. The headstock is effortless to move along the horizontal axes and can be quickly positioned, making the operator's work much easier. The drilling depth is set electronically and the input valve is automatically checked by the system. The unit of measurement for the inputs and displays can be selected between millimeters and inches. The machine has 2 gear steps and the RPM can be infinitely varied and displayed at the monitor quill's stepless feed, which is controlled by a servo motor. When the feed has reached the pre-selected drilling depth, the quill returns automatically to the starting position. The operator sets the arm's height by touching the respective icon, whereupon the system automatically releases and fixates the hydraulic clamps, turns off the lift motor and considers all set limit stops. Various displays show the operating status or alarm warnings in case of incorrect operation. In contrast to conventional machine tools, servo-conventional machines are much easier to operate, more precise and more efficient due to integrated electronics. We also offer a variety of drilling machines and radial drilling machines, starting with a light compact bench drilling machine up to complex production solutions. We offer the entire spectrum of modern drilling machines. For more information on this radial drilling machine, please contact your KNUTH representative today.